Good morning, y'all. It's early. This is your last good morning from mainland Europe. We head to Iceland today. I literally went to bed in my clothes that I'm wearing today, so I didn't have to get up as early. But it's still early, so I don't know. Also, can we talk real quick about the fact that the most hyped collab in the history of fashion collabs is dropping today at a location very close to our hotel the last couple of nights. Louis Vuitton and Supreme have been hyping a collab for 6 years now, kind of, and it's finally dropping today. And I'm not a big hype beast or anything like that, but just would have been super cool. What? Oh, but it still would have been just super cool to be there. Oh well, Iceland calls. Well, we have landed safely in Iceland. It is super cold here and also super early. We went forward 2 time zones, straight forward. So now we're 4 hours off of Virginia instead of 6. And so it's only 10 in the morning, but this rental car is taking forever to do its thing. I don't really know what's going on, but to do all the paperwork and all that. So we're just waiting out here in the cold, windy wilderness, getting that true Icelandic experience. We are in Iceland now. It is cold as heck, but it's okay, because I actually don't know why it's okay. It's still cold, but we are at a really cool spot right now. The longest mountain range in the world is between the North American and the European tectonic plates, which for most of it is under the Atlantic Ocean. For this brief little bit though, it is above water, and you can actually walk between Europe and North America. I'm pretty sure that is Europe and that is North America. Not 100% sure, but it's still super beautiful here. Currently walking on black volcanic sand in between 2 continents. We are at some cliffs here against the ocean, and it is just raw nature. Oh, it's hard to talk and walk here. It is just the purest, rawest nature I think I have ever seen before. The waves are crazy. They're crashing all around. In fact, let's just play way more crashing wave clips than necessary. 50 of them. This is some raw nature out here. Waves are crashing around, there's really no marked path. It's just kind of wilderness that they let you go and explore. And it is beyond beautiful. It's the raw wild, mate. I feel like this is where Bear Grylls would go and like survive and like fish and stuff. Had a wonderful lunch and now we are at the location of some Icelandic hot springs. It smells kind of really awful here, but also kind of strangely good. I can't tell, but it's all steaming up, farting up, bubbling mud, blib blib blib, all that good stuff. There's really only one road going through all of this wilderness. We just keep stopping every 10 minutes or so. It seems like each place has a completely new kind of wilderness. The first place was pretty much just rocks, then later we had moss. Here we have a little bit of shrubbery. And in all of that, God's creation is so diverse and so beautiful, and you really get to see his creative side in making all of this. There's little islands of grass here, but there's nothing in between. So if you look down here,
earlier this year in a small New York City bar. Earlier this year in a small New York City bar.
cute photo. Josh, take a photo of us in the flower.
We are currently at one of the most famous spots in all of Iceland, the Blue Lagoon Hot Springs, where you can swim in an actual hot spring of salt water. So we have a little special edition story time for you here. We just got in our hotel, and it's actually super nice, and it even came with 2 little chocolates in our room. Now, the problem with that is that there are 3 of us, me and my 2 younger sisters. And so we had to find a way to divide the 2 chocolates equally. We decided the best way was to spin a pen, and whoever the pen was pointed towards gets a chocolate. And spin it twice, 2 spins, 2 chocolates. And that was how we were going to discern who the worthy chocolate eater should be. And we were just about to do our first spin when my littlest sister, Grace Jensen, backs into the painting on the wall and smashing the glass. It's right back here.
So embarrassing for your mad body and stuff.
All the glass is broken. There's glass everywhere. Rihanna, my other sister, and I quickly realized that we were the 2 worthy of the chocolates. Each grabbed one, ate it, and they're pretty good. And I don't know what they're going to do about Grace breaking the largest painting in the room in one of their nicest suites. I think they should charge her a lot of money for it, right? In other news, though, it is 11:15. Yeah, 11:15, and the sun is still up. So this really being far north thing is a little weird. Alright, y'all. It is midnight. It is still very much light outside, but it is midnight. So your boy's gonna hit the sack. But stay tuned for another full day of Icelandic adventure tomorrow. Not a full day, actually. Most of a full day. Tomorrow night, though, I'll be sleeping in my own bed. Head home tomorrow. This huge European adventure is coming to an end. So sad, but plenty more adventures to come, and it was an amazing time. Gonna be good, though, to be home. But for now, I'm just gonna sleep. So, good night. Thanks for watching.